Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the ZTE Axon 30, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings. Of course I'll show you both, but I'd like to begin with the secret code as it is the fastest way. So let's open the dialer. And now let's enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see, by using this code we are provided with the device information, which will show us the IMEI numbers and also the serial number. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way, the second way to check those numbers, and it will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and as you can see right here on the first page, let's say we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Of course you can tap on them in order to have more info. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on this, let's say, icon on the model, and as you can see the serial number will appear. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.